Marami pa rin talaga akong nakikita na mga newbies or aspiring virtual assistants na nahihirapan makahanap ng mga clients. Sinasabi nila na ginawa naman nila lahat yung mag-apply pero hinahanap pa rin talaga yung mga meron ng experience. The question that I have for you is, ilan bang applications yung sinisend mo per day? Baka naman isa or dalawa, nagsa-stop ka na. Kasi it's more of a numbers game. You have to treat it as a numbers game kasi hindi mo na talaga maiiwasan na maghahanap yung clients ng mga merong experience, and that's why it's very important na meron kang iset na goal kung ilan yung applications na isasend mo per day. Maybe pwede mong i-try na mag-send ng 10 applications per day, tapos everyday mo gagawin yan para naman mas marami kang masend na applications, mas meron kang chance na makakuha talaga ng client. So if you really want to land your first client, you really have to do the work. Sorry, pero hindi talaga enough na 1 to 2 applications and yun na lang yun. You can't really expect na meron na talaga yung result kasi you already know na marami ka talagang competition, and that's why you have to really just send a lot of applications. So if hindi mo naman kaya na 20 applications per day, just try to hit 5 or 10 applications every day consistently yan. I'm telling you, imposible talaga na hindi ka makakuha ng client if you're doing that consistently. So make sure na you have a tracker. Kailangan mong ma-hit na 10 applications or kung ilan man yung gusto mong i-reach na applications per day. Personally, if I really want to add another client, yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. I'm really exhausting all of my options. So nagtatry ako sa Upwork, online jobs sa PH, free up. So hindi ko naman na talaga siya ginagawa kasi meron na din naman akong clients. But whenever I really want to like add another one, if meron na akong time to add another client, that's what I'm actually doing. Kasi marami naman talagang strategies, guys, na pwede mong gawin para makakuha ka ng client. Pero kung gusto mong makakuha agad-agad ng client, you have to really send applications, a lot of applications every day consistently for at least 3 months, ganyan. So I'm pretty sure marami ka nang masasenda ng applications if you do it consistently. Huwag mo nang i-focus yung attention mo dun sa mga marireceive mo na rejections. Just keep applying kasi yun lang din naman yung ginagawa ng iba, guys. So yeah, let me know how this goes. If you need any more help, if you want any more tips, comment lang kayo and make sure to follow me para ma-notify kayo sa next video.